Removing wall. Yes. Because the electrician plumbers need to access for installing pipe and electrical. So yeah, you don't have choice, guys. You need to remove all that where's the wirings going on and the plumbers. But the suddenly is I am only one working today. Not good. I'm only one working, guys. Nobody can hear come here on this site, just only me.